2. Hello everybody and welcome back to part 2 of this super beginner tutorial series. And in this episode we'll be starting the coding. I'm recording this about 5 seconds after I ended recording the last episode. So I have no clue if something went wrong or if it didn't or what. So here we go. So for this burger button, we are going to double click. And then this comes up. This is where you actually write all your code. It says button burger underscore click. It means when you click it, this is what's going to happen. You know, you can change it to, there's like double click, you know, a lot of things. But anyways, when it's clicked, we want it to display the picture of the burger. So we're going to write pick burger, and then if this comes up, you know, for what you want, you can just, you know, hit tab or enter or, you know, period or space equals whatever you want. Just keep going. So just hit period, and there we go. And visible space equals true. Now what we're doing is we're changing this little property right here from false to true. So if it's false, save it quick. When we start the program, it's not there. When we hit burger, it is there. So that's what that line of code does. Also, we want to make it so that pick.chicken, I'll just change this to false quick. Pick.chicken is false. So pick.chicken, no, pick chicken dot visible equals false. Now, if we didn't have this, and we quick coded this button here by going pick chicken dot visible equals true, saving it quick, and we'll just Control X to cut that, Control Shift S to save and start it. Nothing comes up, right? Let's see chicken. Oh, okay. Now let's see the burger. Okay. But we don't want both of the pictures up at the same time. So let's quick exit out of that. That is why we have this. Because if I quick save it and run it, if we click chicken and then burger, the picture of the chicken goes away. So yeah. Also, we are going to do btn choose dot enabled equals true. Now this is going to enable this button down here, and we are changing this property right here from true from false to true. So if we quick save it and run it, any day now, we can't actually click this button until we choose the burger or chicken. So yeah. Next, for the button chicken, right here, button chicken dot click underscore click, we're going to do pick burger dot visible equals false, and button choose dot enabled equals true. And there we go. Pretty simple. Just coded these two buttons. So now if we save it and run it, we could choose burger or chicken. Or we'll do burger. Choose, you know, and then you can exit. So next we're going to code the exit button just because it's easy. And we're going to just write close and do parentheses, enter. And you're done. Control-Shift-S to save, and we'll just test it quick. If we hit exit, we're done. So next, we got to choose the choose button. Got to choose the choose button. We'll code the choose button. And we are going... Oh, tired. We are going to first make the button burger dot enabled equals false, and button chicken dot enabled equals false. That way, if since they already chose what they want, they can choose again. And yeah. Next, we're going to do label things dot visible equals true, and I think that's it. So just quick Control-Shift-S and make this make the visible property on the label false. Control-Shift-S, start, and now we can choose burger or chicken, and we'll just hit enter, or I guess not, and it'll say thank you for choosing, your decision has been noted. Now we can exit. There you go. That is the program. But we're not quite done yet. So if we double click the form, you can write some more code, and this says _load. So when the form loads, this is the code that it'll run. Those loading screens on like websites or like games or something. This is the code that it's running right here. And what we're going to do is we're just going to set, or we're going to bring this invisible to true, this visible to true, this visible to true, this enabled, there's enabled is true, and I think that's it. So Control-Shift-S, and then if we go to this code, you may be asking, well, why did you just do that? It's kind of dumb, but this is just to show you, what this does. So if we ran it, everything, is showing. You could choose things even though it didn't actually choose it. We're choosing both things, and we just exit. So what we're going to do is pick burger dot visible equals false. Pick chicken dot visible equals false. Label things dot visible equals false. And button choose dot enabled equals false. And so if we Control-Shift-S and start it, you can see we have the same program, but we coded the form load instead of changing the actual properties on the everything. So we can exit, and I just noticed something for the button choose. We should button choose dot enabled equals false. No, false. And quick save and start. So that way they can only choose once. Burger, chicken, burger, chicken. I want burger. Choose, and then you can't, keep choosing and like spamming it. There we go, and we're done. So let's say you want, a little message box to come up saying what they chose. Okay, so to do that, the button choose, we are going to write an if statement. So if space, this is getting a little complicated. You don't have to do this. I don't know why I did this actually, thinking about it, but I said I was going to do it, so I'm going to do it. So if pick burger dot visible equals true, then okay, up here we are going to create a variable by writing dim. That's how you declare a variable, and then we're going to name the variable chooser, and that's all. So then chooser equals burger, and then we can just write an else since we only have two things. Otherwise, we could write an else if chooser equals chicken. So then no, we don't need this variable. What am I doing? I am an idiot. We don't need this variable. We don't need that then. So actually, okay, so if the picture of the burger is visible, then we'll do message box dot show, and we'll do you chose a burger, comma, burger chooser. And I like to add a little space there. So then we'll do message box dot show parentheses you chose a chicken sandwich. Sandwich. Okay, sandwich. I can never remember how to spell that. Comma, burger chooser. So I'm not going to explain how this all works, but you can always watch a couple of my other videos to figure out how it works. So let this load quick, and choose burger, you chose a burger. Then in chicken, you chose chicken sandwich. And that's all it was. Yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching this project, and we'll see you in the next project. Goodbye.